add the baby wash and shampoo. I've added about a quarter size amount to his little buff pot. Okay, nice, huh? Here, sit back a little bit. There you go. So they can see you on video. So for the sake of the video, here you go. You can do it. So for the sake of the video, okay, he's got on his shorts. But you see it has a nice lather, a very light scent. Okay, now we're going to use the next product that I received, which actually was the leave-in, but what I'm going to incorporate is I have the, yeah, there we go, is the shampoo, God bless you, the drama-free shampoo and conditioner. I received the leave-in, not just yet. As you can see, it's very nice in the water. Okay. Yeah. And we'll be back after I put the shampoo.